Hey, welcome to Hitman Canada's Brotherhood of the Hunt. On this week's episode, it's all about family. Hey, welcome to Hitman Canada's Brotherhood of the Hunt.
Season 8.
Season 8. How'd that happen?
I don't know. Actually, we want to take a moment out right now and thank all our fans, our sponsors, our pro staff and partners for supporting us for all these years. Without you guys, we could not have done what we've done. And again, thank you from the bottom of our hearts.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you very much. On this week's episode, it's all about family. We have Charlie and Lily, our two youngest children, and we are taking them on their first ever bear hunt.
Yeah, we're going to go out bear hunting in Northern Ontario. You guys have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah?
you?
Gonna do it again?
Yeah.
Yeah? Well, guess what? We go in 2 weeks.
Really?
Yep. We get to go back up in 2 weeks.
Bears are hitting the bait, so we're ready to go.
Yeah? So what was your guys' favorite part of the last trip?
Well,
What was your favorite part, Charlie?
my favorite part was
Let's not tell them. Why don't you wait and see? Check it out. Hey, Charlie.
what?
All ready for bed, bud?
Yep.
Big day tomorrow?
Yes, we get to go fishing and bear hunting.
Very good. And how about you, Miss Lily? All excited?
Yeah.
You're tired, eh?
I could barely talk in the car.
All right, you two turkeys. Time for lights out. Say goodnight.
Night.
Good night, Charlie.
So where are we going?
Bear hunting.
What are we going to do
Bathing.
today?
Kill a bear and fish.
What are we going to do right this minute?
Bear baiting.
So what's our total game plan?
To bait, then go bear hunting. Then once we shoot a bear, we come home and go fishing. Then it's probably gonna be supper time.
Holy, we're going to do all that today?
Yeah.
Holy. So who are you hunting with?
Mommy.
Yeah? And who do you think's going to win? The boys are going to out-hunt the girls.
So Charlie, you're sitting in a tree stand.
Yeah. That's okay. I love tree stands. Kind of. Not really.
Lily, you're going to sit in a box blind.
What the heck's a box blind?
Well, that's a big blind up in the air.
Remember, it's that wooden one that we went with. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Yep. Cool. Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
All right, well, let's go. Filled the bait up yesterday. It's completely empty.
That just, you know what that means, Charlie? You guys are going to see lots of bear tonight.
Oh my
Big bear all
goodness.
over.
Now, oh my gosh, now I'm scared.
Okay, let me
You're
get
scared.
doing some work.
Oh, if there's gonna be so
you're
many
gonna sit up there.
bears.
Okay.
Okay, that's safe.
So we're just going to walk into a bait that Sean shot a couple bears off of, and it's a big box blind that he's built. And Lily and Mommy are going to sit there tonight, and we'll just soup her up a little bit, put some more bait out there. Pretty good bear coming in already, and then Charlie and I are going to go sit at another bait, and who knows, maybe we'll kill a bear tonight. What do you think?
Yep.
You want to kill a bear, Lil?
Yeah.
Alright.
So this barrel is filled with Big Daddy's Big Game Attractants Bear Crack. It's almost like a pellet that's fused with all good of sweet stuff in it. Almost like a sweet feed. And they love it. So if my bear is as tall as this barrel, I guess I'm good to go, right?
Yeah, but this is destroyed from last time we were here. Like, everything was cleaned up. Sean just baited, I think, Tuesday, and it's clean, so there's definitely a bear in here. Okay, we're gonna go get some water in here, heat up some bacon grease and chocolate, and pour it all over the bait, and go from there.
Brotherhood of the Hunt is brought to you by the following sponsors: Triggers and Bows, Sport Chief, Alton Safe Outdoors, Novacraft Canoe, PSE Archery, and all of these fine sponsors.
This portion of Hitman Canada is brought to you by Triggers and Bows. Triggers and Bows is a family-owned business in Brantford, Ontario. Visit Triggers and Bows for all your gun, archery, and accessory needs. Also visit them online at triggersandbows.com.
Hey, have you ever wanted to be part of a real Canadian TV show? Digital Moose Media is your opportunity to do just that. We are a dedicated Canadian production company that has a vested interest in your success in the Canadian outdoor industry. Well, first up are Jackie and Lily.
And Lily was pretty excited.
You excited?
Yeah.
Well, Lily wanted to thank Sean for letting them use one of his bait sites.
Thanks, Sean. Just get on with it.
All right, let's get on with it.
Okay, baby girl, so excited?
Yeah.
All set?
Yeah.
Okay. Got all of our stuff together.
Yeah, I think so.
This will be Lily's and my first hunt together, really. I think we've turkey hunted a little bit together, but
Once.
yeah. Lily's 8, and she's really excited to go with her mom. Which I'm excited to have her. It'll be such a treat. Right?
Yeah, this would be my first time going bear hunting, so
It will.
I'm really excited.
Yeah, and I'm excited for her to be able to see her first bear. It's so neat. Okay? All right, so you and I are gonna go do it. And then we have a friendly competition with Daddy and Charlie. So Stephen and Charlie are going out as well on a separate date. So the bet is whoever does not shoot a bear tonight has to do
The dishes.
Are you excited?
Yeah, a lot.
Are you?
Yeah.
That's good. I'm glad you're excited.
What are you going to do if a bear comes in?
Try to keep my mouth shut.
So you don't scream?
Yep.
What if he starts coming up the ladder?
I'm climbing on a tree.
Did you know Mommy had one come up the ladder one time?
And what did you do?
Well, I put an arrow in his face. But he went back down again.
So you didn't shoot it?
I didn't shoot it. I should have shot him. It was a huge bear. All right, I think we're all set there, girl.
I can't wait.
Glad you're excited. That makes me more excited. So Lily and I are sitting together. It's our second night on bait. We didn't see any bear last night. So this spot's been getting a lot of action. So we're hoping that a bear comes in. Hey,
Yeah.
hopefully it doesn't climb our tree.
I'd be scared after.
You be fine. Mommy will protect you.
Hit him with the crossbow.
Oh yeah. Anyhow, we've been seeing H10 bear on this site, so hopefully tonight we'll have a little bit of action on that. Steve's touched up the bait with some bacon grease and some apples. Oh, and some oats as well. So.
And some the chocolate stuff.
Oh, some chocolate stuff too. So I think we're all set.
Let's get chubby bears. I just can't wait to see my first bear. Yesterday we didn't get any luck, which I was really mad about. So this time. Hopefully someone's coming soon. Gotta watch 360. Has a good bear. He seemed like a really good bear.
No, so it's been a really crazy night. None of the bear are coming to the bait so far. That one just snuck up on us. It must have come along the edge here. But by the time I got the camera turned around, and I got my crossbow up, oh, he was maybe 40 yards away, which was fine. Except as soon as I clicked my safety off, he was gone. Hey. Okay, but we better be quiet. Don't know what's gonna happen here.
Hey, if you want to watch this episode or any of our other episodes, you can watch them.
On our website or on our YouTube channel at Brotherhood of the Hunt. Mic drop.
Silly kids.
Kids. Hey guys, if there's any product you see on the show that you'd like to purchase, head over to Canadian Outdoor Warehouse. It's an online store, fast service, good prices, and monthly specials. You won't be disappointed. This episode brought to you by Sports Chief, the ultimate in outdoor apparel. Closed captioning brought to you by Tetrapod, the only enclosed trailer that flips into a boat.
Lily, that was super exciting for me. I was so happy to have you in stand for your very first time ever seeing bear. What was your favorite part?
My favorite part was when all of the most of the bears were on their hind legs and being silly.
Yeah, they like to play around, don't they, when they're young?
Yeah, they're
Yeah.
kind of jokers, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, next we're going to meet Norm, the farmer, an accomplished hunter on his own, and really a good guy. He lets us hunt on some of his private land there, so let's watch Norm. So how many acres have you got?
Altogether, I have about 750 acres, and 450 of that is in hay and grain. I want to talk about bear population, well, that's another story. There's lots of them. They've shot 7 so far this year, and I'm sure there's double that amount still left in the bush or neighboring properties, and it's a big problem.
As a landowner,
Yes.
It's a problem.
Down the line, it's a problem. Every time we harvest the oats, a lot of it is trampled down. It's lost revenue every time, so they cause some damage, and we're not being compensated right now for that. They haven't figured a way to assess those damage. I want the bears taken out, at least trying to control the population. At some bait site, we've seen up to 8 bear at a time in one spot, so it's I think it's alarming. And the moose that I've seen around the properties, that I've seen only one cow with a calf, and there's another 3 cows. They're by themselves. So they've just reinstated the spring bear hunt, so that might help along the way.
And it's kind of interesting to me, a lot of the bears that we're seeing are that same age class.
Yeah, I think down the line that's going to be a problem, because they're all going to come in having small bears down the road, and if they have a good year of berry crops, so they're going to have twins or even triplets, so that's going to add up to the numbers.
Yeah.
How's your deer and moose population then?
Well, we're still seeing lots of moose. Like this year I've seen 2 bucks and 1, 2, 3, 4 different cows, and the deer population is starting to pick up, but so far on the farm I haven't seen any does with fawns. Just like to get some of the bears away from the property, and I know there's other private property owners that would like to see the same thing happening on their properties.
we put the bait out just now. And it's gone. There was a bear right here when we came in. And he grunted or whatever, and then he left. And he ran that way. That thinks. So, it's pretty exciting up here. Dad just said there's 2 bears over there. So, yeah, it's new for me, so I have to do this more often. So Dad's just pulling up his bow. So we might finish the job right now.
This segment of Brotherhood of the Hunt is brought to you by Portable Winch, Trail Runners Labradors, Enforcer, and all of these fine sponsors.
This portion of Hitman Canada is brought to you by Triggers and Bows. Triggers and Bows is a family-owned business in Brantford, Ontario. Visit Triggers and Bows for all your gun, archery, and accessory needs. Also visit them online at triggersandbows.com.
That was awesome. That was.
Did you poop your pants?
I think so. That's good. Oh, I think I prefer bear hunting more than deer hunting now.
Tell me about your first bear hunt.
Well, it was exciting. A little nervous. But he's so big. So awesome.
He just blinked his eyes.
So fluffy and bloody.
Okay guys, well we had a successful hunt last night, but now it's time to skin these bears. I'm not as young as I used to be, so this portable winch really helps out. We got them all strung up here. I'll show you how easy it is. in there like that. Once, twice, 3 times, and up like that. Start her up. Just like that. As long as it's tight, you're all set. A whole lot easier. Well, now the work begins.
Well, I think that bear hunting has become one of your favorite kinds of hunt.
Yep.
You guys want to do it again?
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty
You
exciting.
had a good time,
Yeah.
huh?
Yeah. Charlie, what was your favorite part of the hunt?
When the bear was like roar on the other bear when he was eating, and then that bear was like roar, and then he came to run away, and he hit the tree.
Yeah.
We both laughed in stand, eh? Yes,
Kind of silly bear.
That's your favorite kind of hunting?
Haven't tried moose hunting yet.
Yeah. Well, I think you better get your bladder checked before you go moose hunting. What do you think? Yeah. So anyways, guys, take a kid hunting. You'll never regret it. Remember, be safe, enjoy the outdoors, and we're all Canadian.
All the time.
Have you ever dreamt about being part of a real Canadian hunting show? This is your opportunity to be part of the Brotherhood of the Hunt. Give Steve and Jacquie a shout at info@brotherhoodofthehunt.com.